Thirikari ya Kaunti ya Naikuru niireganite na riboti iria yarekereirwo ni manathi a thibitari uyu wa ciana 20 nginya ciana 25 nicio ikuaga o mweri ni kwaga kurorwo na njira iria yagiriire. Na Minister wa ugima wa mweri thiini wa kaunti ino niwe wikaine ta akiuga ni etetie riboti ya mieri 3 kuma kuri ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri na ciana 24 nocio ikuite thiini wa kahinda mieri 3 toria mwandiki Thikoni ni kuma thibitari wa Naivasha level 4 kwandikithia kuri kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri na 20 nginya 25 ni ikuaga o mweri thibitari-ini uyu. Riu thirikari ya kaunti ino niireganite na riboti ino.
There's a report which went out that we lost 25 children in a month. First, I'll pose a question. That means we are losing a baby a day. That is not true.
Minister wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino Jacqueline Osore ni augite ni magirite riboti ya mieri 3 kuma kuri ruhonge rwa Kenya Health Information System, akiuga kwa ihinda ria mieri ino ciana 1552 nicio iciaritwo, aria maciaritwo makuite ni ciana 11, akiuga aria makuite kwa ihinda ria mieri ino ni ciana 24.
Kenya Health Information System with me, where we have reported for I pulled out for the last 3 months, and in that report, as I said, for those 3 months we had 1,552 newborns, babies delivery, fresh stillbirth. Those I said are the ones who were born dead in the hospital were 11, and the macerated stillbirths, which people came in and the baby was already dead, were 11 of 24 for 3 months.
Niongereire na kuga thibitari uyu wina incubator 6 na imwe noyo itararuta wira, na oho auga ni maguthie na mbere na kuongerera madagitari aria kandarathi ciao ithirite.
6 incubators, and all of them are working apart from one, as you see from the tour that we have gone around, and we hope to increase the number based on the number of mothers we are getting. Have some gaps which actually we are still working with the County Public Service Board to have the numbers on board, especially in all the essential areas where we know we must have people. That one we have. The other ones, it's a process we are currently ongoing from last month.
Na oho niongereire na kuga kigina kiria maramukagira ni kiongererekete kuma milioni 54 nginya milioni 73
of revenue since we started making these reforms, where the first 2 quarters last year we were getting about 50 million. Right now, last quarter and the first quarter, we have moved up to 76 million. That will assist us in addressing some of these gaps which are noted in the hospital.
Ni yarekereirwo na kuga mathire mothe maria mari ku ni makuriha magiteitha na thirikari nene.
Tune of 3 million deaths which are being handled by the county, and we also requested support from the national government. So currently the county is handling all the pending bills. They are paying. As the money comes in, there are plans to pay those pending bills so that we ensure all our suppliers receive what they deliver and we continue services.
Wainaina ni ugete kwina irio cia kuigana cia arwaru na riboti yake yakorwo ikinyitwo baru ni Bernard Warwe.
This is in specific reference to what the issue that was raised in terms of in the maternity, but I can assure you that we have the adequate supplies in terms of the basic requirements so after the mothers are deliver in our maternity unit.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV nditagwo Waitherero wa Njoroge.